Hi, welcome everybody. In this tutorial, we will learn how to calculate the median of group data on Excel. And by group data, that means when the data is given in intervals or classes as shown here. So in this example, we're investigating how many hours do students study per week. So here, for example, the first class is from 0 till 10 hours. 8 students spend from 0 till 10 hours studying per week. 13 students spend from 10 to 20 hours of studying per week. So here we have the classes on the left side, on the left column. It's the number of hours in different intervals or different classes. And the second column represents the frequency of each class, and the third column represents the cumulative frequency, which we will also need in order to calculate the median. Um, and here we see that's the equation that we are going to use to calculate the median. So this is the formula for calculating the median. And as you see in this equation, there are some parameters that we use in order to calculate our median. So first, I will introduce you to the parameters and their values, and then from there we go into the equation and plug our values. So the first parameter here we see is L. So L is the lower boundary of the median class. So what is the median class? The median class is the class or the interval which the median lies in. And how to determine that is if we add all the frequencies, we will get 29. And if we take half of the sum of the frequency, we will have 14.5, which lies within the second class. And we see that from the cumulative frequency. So here is 8 students, and the next one is 21. So 21 students lie between the 21 students lie within the first and the second class, and 13 of them lie in the second class. So the 14, the median lies in the second class. So that's how we determine the median class. So we add 8 plus 13, that's 21, and 14.5 lies below 21 and higher than 8. So we see that it is within the second class. So in the class that studies from 10 till 20 hours per week. So L, back to the parameters, L represents the lower boundary of the median class. So that is 10. So we see from here, this is the median class, and 10 is the lower boundary. So we type here 10. Here we see n divided by 2. Well, n is the sum of the frequency, as we see here. So the this parameter is just the sum of the frequencies divided by 2. So that gives us 14.5. The next parameter is C, and C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, do we understand? So the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So if we look here at the column of the cumulative frequency, we see there was only one class preceding the median class, and that's the first class, and the cumulative frequency of that class is just 8, the beginning of the cumulative frequency column. So that parameter is 8. All right, and then we have f. F is the frequency of the median class. Okay, so the median class is 10 to 20, and here we see that the frequency is 13, so this parameter is 13. And then we have h. H is simply the range of the median class, which is 10, 20 minus 10 is 10, and it is also equal to the range of every class in this case. Okay, so now we have all our parameters that we need for the equation or the formula, and now we can go ahead and plug those parameters in our formula. So how to do this? First, we see here our formula. So first we go here, press equal. So first we have the L parameter plus, then we have here a fraction. So first we have n divided by 2 minus, and here we select C, the frequency, the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. And now we close the bracket. And that is multiplied by h and then this whole term is divided by the frequency of the median class. Here we go. Now we have 15, and this number 15 represents the median value in this case for the number of hours studied per week by the students. This is our median number of hours spent on studying per week. I hope the video, the tutorial was useful for you, and I wish everybody good luck.